If you've been watching videos about FIFO and mining in Australia and you've been wondering if it's something that you can actually do, I'm hosting a completely free live FIFO webinar on Thursday, August 13th at 7 p.m. UK and Ireland time. And in this, I'm going to walk you through absolutely everything you need to know. For any that don't know me, my name's Cal. I moved over from Ireland to Australia on a working holiday visa 3 years ago to get a job working FIFO in the industry. I had no experience, nothing planned beforehand, no trade background, no connections, no contact, nothing like that at all. I was starting completely from scratch, and I got over to Australia and I landed my very first FIFO job just 28 days after landing. And since then, I've spent the last 3 years helping people from all over the world do the exact same thing. And the crazy thing is, it's actually working, and the advice I'm giving people and what I'm telling them to do is working and to get them jobs. So I'm going to be covering the whole process in that webinar. And if you're interested in joining that webinar, there's a sign up link in the description below this video. So scroll down, click on that, just fill all the details out, and that'll be you included. So let me tell you why thousands of people from all over the world are making the move to Australia to chase these FIFO jobs. Like me, I was back in Ireland, I was working the same kind of job in that rat race that people talk about, where I was like just doing the same job, not earning enough money, not saving anything, just kind of like working to live, no time off, not like kind of like banking things. It was just kind of like, you know, working to live in that like vicious wheel. And I was thinking, surely there's more to life. I wanted like more money, wanted more freedom, wanted more time off, wanted more adventure time, wanted more travel time. And whenever I was back home, that was not happening whatsoever. Whenever I got to Australia, I started working FIFO, was earning great money. And in that very first year I was working, I earned $141,000, which is way more money than I ever made back in Ireland. And I was able to go off traveling on a big, massive travel trip. I went to Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, Philippines, New Zealand, all over the place. And that all stemmed from me working FIFO. So here's how FIFO works. So whenever you work FIFO, you work for one of these big Australian mining companies that have some project going on in some part in regional Australia. They'll fly you out to site to work on this project. You're essentially just like a little worker ant working for this big company. They will cover your food, they'll cover your flights, they'll cover your accommodation, they'll cover, like, you're not paying anything whenever you get up there. So you're able to save up a lot of money relatively quickly because your costs whenever you're working are literally zero. I can go up to the site and work for 2 weeks in a row, earn great money, working loads and loads of hours, and not spend anything at all. So anything that I'm earning, all my wages are going straight into my pocket. Yes, I have to pay rent and shit like back in Perth, but like apart from that, like everything else is just going into your pocket. So you're able to bank up loads of money relatively quickly, and that's why it's so attractive to so many people. And the best thing is, like, you don't need a trade background, you don't need experience. I came over with absolutely no experience and managed to get in, and I've helped loads of other people from all over the world get in with no experience as well. There are a few things that you need to do all in the right order, all in the right way, in order to give yourself the best possible chances to get one of these jobs. But if you follow that process, it is totally doable. And one of the biggest questions I get asked, is it possible for someone like me? And 100% it definitely is. If you want to chase it hard enough and you do all the right things in the right order, you can definitely get one of these jobs. So if you're sitting back home in Ireland right now, or the UK, or anywhere around Europe, or the US, or Canada, or New Zealand, the first thing you need to get a working holiday visa to give yourself full working rights to get to Australia. But all those countries that I just mentioned definitely can. Pretty sure the age limit for those is 35, but you need to check the Australian immigration website for your individual country. And once you get the working holiday visa, that will give you full working rights to come over here and to get working exactly like I'm doing. And the big mining companies and recruitment companies are constantly looking for workers to fill the demand. People are leaving the industry and new people are coming into the industry every single day. And you don't need to have a specific background. It will obviously help if you have some kind of background or job experience, like, to help you get in. But it's not essential if you follow everything in the right order and do everything in the right way. And this is exactly what I'm going to be walking through in this webinar that I'm hosting on the 13th of August at 7 p.m. UK and Ireland time. And whenever I made my move 3 years ago, I had to do everything by myself and learn the hard way. There was contradicting advice on Facebook groups, contradicting advice on YouTube, and there was like people telling me I needed to do this and people telling me I needed to do that. People told me I needed to know somebody. People told me there's no chance of me getting in, but I didn't believe that. I knew if I kind of made my own path and followed it all out, like, I would be able to get in and I'd be able to chase it hard. And I just had like self-belief in myself, and I came over and I executed the plan, and to be honest, it worked out exactly how I thought it was going to. But yeah, it was crazy. So just 28 days after landing in Australia, I got my very first FIFO job. Not because I got lucky, not because I knew somebody to get me in, I didn't have any of that, but it was because I eventually figured out the exact process and the exact steps that I needed to take in the right order in order to get me a job. And that's exactly what I've been teaching people as well, and what I'm teaching them is working and they're getting jobs out of it. And it's real people getting real results. And if you want to see that for yourself, I have loads of testimonial videos that are on my website. So I'll drop my website link in the description below, so click on that. That'll open up my website. All my resources are there to help you. And if you scroll down, There's loads of testimonial videos from people in your exact situation, explaining where they were before, how I helped them, what they're doing now, and what they needed to do to get their job. These are people that were sitting exactly where you're sitting right now, back home, wanting to move to Australia, wanting to get into FIFO, and now they've all made it, and they've all made the move, and they've done it. So take that as inspiration. It's definitely doable, and I can definitely help you there. So if this is something you're interested in, I would highly advise you join my webinar on Thursday, August 13th. And as I say, yep, the little sign up link is below in the description. So click on that, fill in your details, and that's exactly how to join the webinar. And if you're ready to go right now, just click the little link below in the description. That'll open up my website. You can see all my resources are there. I have a full step-by-step guide, I have a one-to-one video call, I have a FIFO contacts list. But my main thing that I actually have to help people is known as my FIFO starter bundle. That's like all three of those main things that I have to help people all pushed together as one package. So you're getting the guide, the one-to-one video call, and the contacts list all as one thing. And all of those are available on that website. So if you're serious about getting into FIFO, join the webinar or go onto my website and get one of my packages right now. If you have any questions, get them in the comments below and I'll chat to you there. Thank you.